parents and my dear children. It gives me an immense pleasure to welcome you all to our 6th annual day meet on behalf of principal, teaching staff and children of Smart Kids Old Alwal Preschool. To begin this auspicious occasion, I am M. Snigdha will be your host for the day. I ensure you that this program shall be full of excitement and create some beautiful memories of all of us. Now I invite Mr. Vijay Garu, Mr. and Mrs. Ravi Lakshmi for lighting the lamp.
Shubham kurutvam kalyanam arogyam dhanasampadah. Shubham kurutvam kalyanam आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धि विनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपो हरतु मे पापं सन्ध्यादीपनमोऽस्तु ते शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः.
Without taking much of your time, we would like to start the program. Well, here you are. Today we have rainbow of programs to entertain us all with enthusiastic performance of our young ones. At this age, children coming on the stage is a very big achievement. Do encourage our children by giving a big round of applause. Now parents, please sit back and enjoy the mesmerizing performances of our children. Now we start with our first performance, Welcome Dance by M. Shrestha. Please give her a huge round of applause.
जो है अलबेला मदनैनो वाला जिसकी दीवानी ब्रिज की है वाला वो किसना है वो किसना है वो किसना है वो किसना है किसना है जो है अलबेला मदनैनो वाला जिसकी दीवानी ब्रिज की है वाला वो किसना है वो किसना है वो किसना है किसना है प्यार में खोजी प्यार की धुन में जागी न सोजी प्यार में डूबी प्यार में खोजी प्यार की धुन में जागी न सोजी दुनिया से है वो अनजानी सब कहते हैं प्रेम दीवानी किसना से मिलती है भूल के हर पल किसना की माला की जपती है वो जोगन
we have our little tiny tots of Smart Nursery are going to perform on these songs. Welcome.
Welcome. Everybody come welcome. Welcome. To the party come welcome.
Message, Jay. You ready? Let's go.
Make it better, yeah. When we come together, yeah. All that is me, yeah. All that is you.
स्वाग से करेंगे सबका स्वागत स्वाग से करेंगे सबका स्वागत Lírico en la casa. Buscando cámaras, yo estoy buscándome el efectivo. Me tratan de matar como que darles algo vivo. La cotorra que tengo lo mando para el intensivo. La guerra no ha empezado, ya se le acaban los tiros. Afuera tengo un panamera. Salimos para la carretera, la gente a mí me pregunta y yo le digo que yo estoy y yo le digo que yo súbeme la música DJ, ¿qué pasa? Una botella de gay, ¿qué pasa? Con los tigres de Guay, ¿qué pasa? Con la Batman y Cristo Ribay, súbeme la música DJ, ¿qué pasa? Una botella de gay, ¿qué pasa? Con los tigres de Guay, ¿qué pasa? Con la Batman y Cristo Marianela, 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 Marianela. Súbeme la música DJ. ¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa?
Have our Little Champ Smart Plate to perform. And participants of this song are Ditanshu, Priyanshi, Alan, Hanvika, Jennifer, Niksh, Shriyansh, Ayan.
Oh, you said no, 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 I said no, 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 no. You say take me home, I said no, Perignon. You said no, 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 I said no, 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 no. No, 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 no.
Hasta la vida loca, 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 loca. Te encanta la música, te toca, toca, toca. Hasta la vida loca, 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 loca. Te encanta la música, te toca, toca, toca.
Champagne, celebrate together. I wanna see rain on me forever. Rivers of champagne, celebrate
música te toca, toca, toca. Hasta la mina loca, 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 loca. Te encanta la música, te toca, toca, toca. Toca, toca, toca. Hasta la mina loca, 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 loca. Te encanta la música, te toca, toca, toca. Hasta la mina loca, 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 loca. Te encanta la música, te toca, toca, toca.
I see your eyes every day and every night, and I wanna hold you, love you till the end of time. Stay overnight, cause I want you in my life, and I wanna love you, I will never make you cry.
Hasta la mina loca, 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 loca. Te encanta la música, te toca, toca, toca. Hasta la mina loca, 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 loca. Te encanta la música, te toca, toca, toca. Toca, toca, toca. Toca, toca, toca.
Are bold children of Smart Junior and Smart Senior to perform. Rolling children Sai Tanishk, Geetansh, Arush, Ishani, Ashika, Sri Surya Sanvi, Krishna, Gautam Virat.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go for double punch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go for double punch. Time for the last. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. To be, cheers.
our dynamic principal madam, Mrs. Mallam Lakshmi. She is the embodiment of walking the extra mile and never throwing in the towel. With her dedication and determination, she has cheered our school through storms and kept her eye on the pride. May I now request our Honorable Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Mallam Lakshmi, on the dais to Smart Kids Preschool Annual Report. Please join me in heartily round of applause to honor her remarkable journey and leadership.
Dear invited dignitaries, phenomenal parents, teachers, and our Smart Kids children, a very pleasant evening to you all. It's my great pleasure to welcome you all. Again, I express my gratitude to you all for making it a priority to honor our invitation. Our school provides an exemplary education experience that integrates a global perspective to our students, not only excellence in academics, but of Smart Kids Old Elwal branch. Having opened the branch on 26 March 2016, I have successfully completed 9 years of journey with Smart Kids Old Elwal. And this was only possible with the extreme support of my staff and our phenomenal parents here. Thank you very much, my dear teachers and parents. Let me now begin with an annual report with the different activities during the year. The academic year began with the introductory meet conducted with the help of get acquainted with the curriculum and day-to-day activities conducted throughout the year. Children enjoyed their first day of school along with parents. Our academic year began with the Father's Day celebration. Children gave the greeting cards made by the school and showed their gratitude towards their father. Our academic year began, we celebrated the national festivals like 15th August by flag hoisting, various cultural performances like taekwondo, dance, drill with lot of zeal and enthusiasm. We also celebrated International Mud Day, International Yoga Day, World Peace Day and Rainy Day. The color days like green color day, yellow color day, blue color day, red color day, orange color day and pink color day were celebrated during the children come in respect to color dress by giving the objects and charts with lots of zeal. As part of Children's Week, we have taken children to Rashtrapati Nilayam as a picnic where they enjoy to their heart extent. Sports and fancy dress competition was conducted as part of Children's Week where parents tried hard to make their children look as different as possible, for which they need to be really appreciated. Apart from this, there were regular field trips like we have visited to Forest Academy as a part of Environment Day, Post Office, Railway Station and Market. These activities were conducted as per the academic plan. We create a different platform for children in day-to-day activities, giving them a practical learning like storytelling, puzzle activities and physical games. We have celebrated all the festivals irrespective of religion like Bakri, Varalakshmi Vratam, Krishna Janmashtami, Ganesh Chaturthi, Batkama, Dashera, Diwali, Christmas and Sankranti. Not only academics, we also strive for moral ethics and respect to the family. We have celebrated Grandparents' Day where grandparents enjoyed to their extent leaving all their busy schedule aside. We thank each and every parent, a grandparent for being a part of this. On September 5th, we have celebrated Teachers' Day. The children showed their respect towards their teacher by gifting the valuables and showed their love towards their teachers. We have organized a fun fest with the different topics. Children gave their best by explaining the given topics to all the necessary nursery children with the vegetable seller costumes and selling the vegetables. We have conducted Rangoli competition to the mother as the part of Sankranti celebration, and mothers participated with the creativity, done an excellent job in exhibiting and won the first, second and third prize, which was very difficult to us to judge. Social service like Share and Care program by taking children to an orphanage for donating and materials offered by our parents, our upcoming program. We convey our heartfelt thanks to all the parents for contributing generously and making our event a grand success in advance. Every month we issue Star of the Month certificate to the children to boost the confidence of the children for their better performance. We have celebrated Vasanta Panchami. All the children took the blessings of Saraswati Devi. Our aim is to guide all our children on their individual journey of learning and giving them the very best required skills, thereby laying a strong foundation to build their future. In all these efforts, we will need our parents to partner with us all levels. After all, holistic education of our children is our common zeal. Before ending, I would like to introduce my team to you all and want to honor my teachers for their efforts and would like to thank all my loving staff for being with me all these years. I would like to give them the awards like Best Academic Teacher Award goes to Mrs. Madhavi Teacher. I would like to call upon Mrs. Madhavi Teacher. Best Creative Teacher Award goes to Mrs. Harika Teacher. I would like to call upon goes to our Samia teacher. I would like to call upon Mrs. Samia teacher. Most active teacher award goes to Mrs. Bhavana teacher. I would like to call upon Mrs. Bhavana teacher to receive the award. Last but not least, my best helpers Sunithamma and Manju to call upon onto the stage. This is my incredible team, and thank you so much for being with me all this year, and thank you so much all the parents for believing on us and leaving your children with us. Thank you so much. So without wasting your time, let us begin with an unfold various events waiting for you all. Okay, thank you, and once again a very pleasant evening to you all. Thank you so much.
That's
Boys and girls. Participants of this song are Tejans Hamsika, Ritvik Priyanshi, Ishan Nishwika, Ashrit Manaha, Himansh Anushri.
Master,
teaching staff performing a skit on mobile and internet addiction. A skit which shows better reality of the human relations and social media we share today. Gautam WhatsApp, Geetansh Google, Arthav Mobile, Arush Instagram, कृष्णा।
आ गए तुम लोग, मिलना चाहोगे मेरे साथियों से? तो देखो,
जी हाँ, मैं हूँ व्हाट्सएप। पूरी दुनिया मेरी गिरफ्त में है। बच्चा, बूढ़ा या जवान, सब दीवाने हैं मेरे।
गूगल नाम है मेरा। मैं वो भी जानता हूँ जो तुम्हारा भगवान भी नहीं जानता। फेक वर्ल्ड का बादशाह हूँ मैं, बादशाह।
मैं इंस्टाग्राम हूँ। मैंने सबको पागल करके रखा है, स्पेशली उन युवाओं को, उसको और इसको भी।
और मुझे तो आप लोग जानते ही होंगे, मैं हूँ फेसबुक। मुझसे ही तो ये सोशल मीडिया का दौर शुरू हुआ है। सुना है वो दिन दूर नहीं जब आपकी ये दुनिया हमारे इशारों पर नाचेगी। तो चलो देखो।
मम्मा मेरा कल एग्जाम है, मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है। प्लीज मम्मा आप पढ़ा दोगे?
क्यों बेटा, तुम्हारे टीचर ने कुछ नहीं समझाया क्या?
मम्मा समझाया तो था पर मैं भूल गई।
बेटा मैं तो भी बहुत बिजी हूँ, तुम पापा के पास जाकर पूछ लो ना।
ओके मम्मा। पापा कल मैथ्स का एग्जाम है, मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है, आप पढ़ा दोगे प्लीज?
बेटा आई एम ऑलरेडी गेटिंग लेट, मुझे ऑफिस का काम है, मैं आकर पढ़ाता हूँ।
ओके पापा।
बेटा मैं बहुत थक गया हूँ और ऑफिस का काम भी। तुम मम्मा के पास चली जाओ।
ओके पापा। मम्मा मुझे थोड़ा सा तो पढ़ा दीजिए प्लीज।
ओके ठीक है बेटा, आप अपने कमरे में जाओ, मैं वहीं आती हूँ।
ओके मम्मा मैं वेट करती हूँ।
नादान लड़की, तुम मेरे जाल में पूरी तरह से फंस चुकी हो कि तुम मेरा शिकार हो चुकी हो, मेरा नया शिकार।
खड़े खड़े क्या देख रहे हो? डॉक्टर को जल्दी फोन करो।
डॉक्टर साहब जल्दी आइए, पता नहीं मेरी बेटी को क्या हो गया। एक और शिकार, तुम्हारे 5000 FB लेकिन तुम्हारे एक भी फ्रेंड तुम्हें बचा नहीं सकते।
देखिए, घबराने और चिंता करने की कोई बात नहीं है। सोशल मीडिया का ज्यादा उपयोग करने से आपके बच्चे की ये स्थिति हुई है। अभी उसे अपनेपन की जरूरत है। आप उसे ज्यादा से ज्यादा मोटिवेट कीजिए ताकि वो अपने रियल फ्रेंड्स के साथ ज्यादा से ज्यादा समय बिता सके। इसी से उसकी रिकवरी जल्दी होगी।
ओके डॉक्टर, थैंक यू।
अपने दोस्तों को लेकर खाने के लिए आ जाओ। माँ, 5 मिनट के बाद। मैं पहले ये गेम खत्म कर लूं। माँ, अभी हमारा गेम खत्म नहीं हुआ है, हम बाद में खाएंगे। तुम सब बच्चे एक कमरे में बैठकर क्या कर रहे हो? देखो तो सही, क्या गेम्स खेल रहे हो? हम मोबाइल गेम्स खेल रहे हैं माँ। हमारा जमाना अच्छा था, ये मोबाइल नहीं थे। हम अपने जमाने में खूब सारे गेम्स खेलते थे, लेकिन घर के अंदर नहीं, घर के बाहर। क्या क्या गेम्स खेलते थे माँ? आओ तुम्हें बताऊं।
That was very emotional and very realistic performance. And now we have Nursery Academic Awards. I would like to call Mrs. Bharti ma'am. She is the director of Abhivruddhi Child Development Center, founder of Parents Association of Down Syndrome. Since 10 years, she has got her center. Ma'am, please come up.
song are Sai Shivanshi, Anirudh, Ishani, Rishika, Arnav, Aradhya.
అందరి ముందు I love you selfie చూడు
retro on rain theme. Vika, Krishna Ashika, Pranav Jenny, Artav Arvi.
मौसम भीगा भीगा डम डम भीगा भीगा मौसम भीगा भीगा बिन पिए मैं तो गिरा मैं तो गिरा मैं तो गिरा हाय अल्लाह सूरत आपकी सुभान अल्लाह हाय अल्लाह सूरत आपकी सुभान अल्लाह डम डम डिगा डिगा मौसम भीगा भीगा बिन पिए मैं तो गिरा मैं तो गिरा मैं तो गिरा हाय अल्लाह सूरत आपकी सुभान अल्लाह हाय अल्लाह सूरत आपकी सुभान अल्लाह
చినుకు చినుకు అందెలతో చిటపట చిరు సవ్వడితో నీలి మబ్బు పురుల ముడిని జార విడిచి ఒళ్ళు మరిచి వానగాడాడింది మైదానంగా నీళ్ళ పూలు జల్లింది సింగారంగా
చినుకు చినుకు అందెలతో చిటపట చిరు సవ్వడితో నీలి మబ్బు పురుల ముడిని జార విడిచి ఒళ్ళు మరిచి వానగాడాడింది మైదానంగా నీళ్ళ పూలు జల్లింది సింగారంగా
వాన వాన వెల్లువాయి కొన్న కోన తుళ్ళిపోయి చెలియ చూపులే చిలిపి జల్లులే మేలు తాగగా రేరు హాయి
Thank you, children. Please give them a huge round of applause for this great performance.
Hello everyone, respected principal ma'am, sir, and all the beloved parents and the little cute students. So good evening everyone. I am very happy to be here on the occasion of annual day of our Smart Kids Preschool Old Alwal branch. And I can say this is one of the best school we are associated with. And thank you so much ma'am for being so much supportive for teaching students self-defense and taekwondo in the school. I think they performed it. So did you all like the performance? Wow, thank you so much. And I personally thank our instructor, Kotesh. Please come here, Kotesh. So our instructor, Kotesh, so is a children's self-defense specialist who is very well versed to train students. So can we please give a clap for him? He really worked so hard for that performance. He's our instructor. So please clap for him. Yeah, thank you so much. And ma'am has always been supportive to introduce self-defense for students. Let it be for the young age. చిన్న ఏజ్ నుంచి అయినా సరే వాళ్ళకి నేర్పిస్తామని మ్యామ్ సపోర్ట్ చేశారు అండ్ మ్యామ్ సపోర్ట్ వల్లే మేము ఇది ఈరోజు చేయగలిగాం థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ మ్యామ్ అండ్ ఐ ఆల్వేస్ సే స్కూల్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఆల్ అబౌట్ ఇన్ఫ్రాస్ట్రక్చర్ ఆర్ ద బిగ్ బిల్డింగ్స్ ద బిగ్ గ్రౌండ్స్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్ అబౌట్ టీచర్స్ హూ టీచ్ అండ్ షీ హ్యాస్ ద బెస్ట్ టీమ్ ఆఫ్ టీచర్స్ సో దట్ ఈస్ ద బెస్ట్ థింగ్ అబౌట్ ద స్కూల్ థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్
ಕೊಂಚಿಕ್ಯೋ ಮುಂದಿರಿ ಮುತ್ತೊಳಿ ದಿಂದಿಕ್ಯೋ ಮಂಜುಳಿ ಬನ್ನ ಚುಂದರಿ ವಾವೆ ತಾಂಗಿಣ್ಣ ಕತ್ತಗದಿವಿಯಾಡುಂ ದಂಗದಿಲಾವೆ ಕೊಂಚಿರಿ ಕೊಂಚಿಕ್ಯೋ ಮುಂದಿರಿ ಮುತ್ತೊಳಿ ದಿಂದಿಕ್ಯೋ ಮಂಜುಳಿ ಬನ್ನ ಚುಂದರಿ ವಾವೆ ತಾಂಗಿಣ್ಣ ಕತ್ತಗದಿವಿಯಾಡುಂ ದಂಗದಿಲಾವೆ
Trust what you're singing, but don't know the reason. Just need something different. Do what I hear this weekend. Don't know to go take what they give me.
ceremony to our smart senior students. May I request our smart senior children who have completed their 3 years of schooling in Smart Kids to stand on the stage for the convocation ceremony. Children have danced, played, jumped, studied all these years. We enjoyed every moment with you all. Thank you very much for being wonderful children. We love you very much and we wish you all the very best for your future endeavors and expect you to be the wonderful citizens of India. We expect you all to live fulfilled life with values. Thank you parents for being with us for all these wonderful years. Hope you enjoyed the child journey with us. God bless you children. Now I request Mr. Ravi Garu to please come on to the dais for the convocation ceremony. Last photo with all the children, otherwise they will be missing the last photograph. Okay. Good evening everyone. The beautiful program would have not been possible with the support of some important people. I thank this opportunity to thank everyone who has put tremendous effort in making this event a grand success. I would like to thank all my teachers and the support staff for their dedication there. I would like to thank all my supporting staff like who have backstage. Firstly, I would like to thank Mr. Viju Master, our choreographer, for teaching our children wonderful dance performance. Viju Master, please come on to the dais. And I would like to call Mr. Ravi Garu to honor him. Mr. Kumar Garu of Trinetra Events for organizing wonderful event, and I would like to call anybody else on behalf of him. I request everybody to stand ovation for the national anthem.
अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे